Next, in Java, we are going to see what is object and what is a class. So this is our demo 4 package. In this package, I'm going to create one class and naming it as test1. This is going to be our main class. Now here I'm creating one more class and I'm naming it as C. So this is our class. Now class is a way to create a user defined data type in which we can declare variable, we can declare methods. So here I'm declaring variables first. So integer A, B and D. These are three variables of a class, and these variables are also known as instance variable. Now in main class we can create object of this class, that is C. So to create object we will write class name then object name. Here we can write any name. Here I'm writing O1. This is object name. In C++ this is the way we create object, but in Java this is not the way. Here it is a reference. So to create object in Java we require new keyword, and in Java object is created inside heap memory. So here we are using new keyword, and then we have to give constructor, and it defines how much memory that class needs on heap. Now this object O1 is holding two things. If the class is having instance variable, it is holding that thing, and if it has method, then it is holding that thing also, methods also. And to use these instance variables and instance method, we have to use dot operator. So if I want to use this a, if I want to initialize this a, then I cannot write a equals to 10. What I have to do here is we have to use object name dot variable name, and then we can initialize it with any value. Here I'm giving it 10. Similarly, if I want to initialize b, then object name dot variable name, then we can initialize it with any value. Now if I want to do addition of these a and b, so what I have, and I want to store the addition in d variable, so what we can do here is o1 dot d equals to, here I can say o1 dot a plus o1 dot b, and then we can print this o1 dot d. So this thing is going to print the value of a plus b. Save it and run it. So it has given addition of a and b is 22. So it is not like that we can create only one object, we can create multiple objects of this class. So here I'm creating one more object, c equals c o2 equals to new c. Now here we can initialize a and b with the different variables, values. So for that o2 dot a equals to, here I'm saying it is 12, and o2 dot b equals to, here I can say 5, and o2 dot d equals to, here I'm doing multiplication, we can do any arithmetic operation here, then o2 dot a multiplied by o2 dot b. This multiplication will go to o2 dot g, and here we can print it. Here I'm saying o2 dot d. Save it, and so it has given multiplication of 12 by 5. So this was the first way of creating object, which was in a single statement. Now we can create object in different way, which will be in different statements. Here I'm saying C O3, this is the reference. Now here we can initialize O3. O3 equals to new C. Now here we can use O3 in the way we have used O2 and O1. Here I am initializing O3 dot A equals to 18, and I will be printing this value. And here it is O3 dot A. It is going to print the value of A, that is 18. It is printed the value of A, that is 18. Now if we are going to print any of these objects which we have created like O1, O2 and O3, it is going to give us a hash code value of that object. Hash code value is the address of that object which is where it is stored on heap. So here if I print dot print ln, and here I'm printing O1, what it is going to give us. Now it has given us, this is a package name. Now the C is a class name, @ symbol, and this is hash code value, which is the address of this object on the heap memory. Similarly, if we print O2 and O3, so here we can see that this O3, O1 is stored at this address, which is different from O2, and O2's address is different from O3. That means each and every object is stored at different location at different address on the heap memory.